Children, today we will going to start a new topic, plant. Like animals, plants are also living things, but they do not move from one place to another. All plants have roots, stem, branches, flowers and fruits. Just we human beings, all we are having eyes, nose, hand, leg, but no two human beings looks alike. Just like that, plants are also of different shapes and size. Some plants are big, some are small. So let's start the chapter. Plants are very useful to us. They give us food, clothes, shelter and raw materials. And for our factories, they also make the air pure. How they make the air pure? Children, we take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is taken by the plant and trees. So we must plant more trees. We should not cut them unnecessarily. There are many kinds of plants. We will study about some of them. First, we must know the different parts of a plant. Look at the picture. Now you can see from the picture that a plant is having different parts. The part which is below the soil, that is called root. From there it takes water and all the nutrients to its different parts. Stem, leaf, flower. Okay, and from the picture you can see a tree also has different parts. Tree has, what are the different parts of the trees? You can see from the picture it is having trunk, branches, fruits, leaves, isn't it? Now, some kinds of plants are herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers and trees. Now, what are herbs? Herb means it is a small plant with a soft stem. We use the leaves to make medicine. They are also used to make our food tasty. Now, what are the examples of herbs? Examples of herbs are rice, mint and tomato, and you can see it from the picture. Next is shrub. It is also a small plant with hard stem and branches. So you can see it from the picture. These are the example of shrubs. Rose, mehendi, jasmine, cotton, lemon are all shrubs. Now, climbers. It is a weak plant. It cannot stand on its own. It climbs to something for support. Now these are the picture of climbers. Examples are pea, grapevine, money plant. Now one more example of the kind of the plant is creeper. So what are creeper? You can see some plants cannot grow straight, so they grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Examples are pumpkin and watermelon. Now tree. Tree, it is a big plant. Big plant is known as tree. It has a strong stem called trunk. Just now we have discussed the strong stem of the tree is called trunk. It has some branches too. Now next move on to the next page. Here you can see the picture of herb, shrub, climber, tree and banyan tree. A banyan tree lives for hundreds of years, but a herb dies very soon. Some plants have flowers. These flowers change into fruits. Some fruits have seeds. Seeds grow into plant. The seeds, what are the seeds? You can see from the picture. This is the picture of apple. Apple is a fruit and inside it you can see some seeds. So seeds help us to grow plants of its kind. Now plants need air, water, sunlight to grow. As plants are living things, so they also need air, water and sunlight to grow. Plant give us food. We get cereals, pulses, dal means fruits, vegetables and spices. The different parts of plant give us different kinds of food. Now plants are having different parts. That parts also we consume. We eat. We eat the roots of some plants. So what are the roots we take? Radish, turnip and carrot. We eat stems of some plants. So what are the examples? Potato is a stem. Even if it grow under the ground, under the soil, but it is a stem. Ginger and sugarcane. We eat seeds of some plants. So what are the seeds? Rajma, peas and corn. And we eat leaves of some plants too, like spinach, palak, lettuce and cabbage. We eat the fruits of some plants. So what are the fruits we eat? Mangoes, bananas, oranges. We eat flower of some plants too. For example, cauliflower, broccoli and banana flower. We get other useful things too from the plants. Look here, plants are very useful. We get wood from plants. We make doors, windows and furniture with it. We get cotton fiber from cotton plant. We get jute fiber from jute plants. This is the picture of cotton plant and jute plant. With the help of, we make cotton cloth with the help of the cotton we get from the cotton plant. And jute plant we make thread from this jute plant. And we make these different types of gunny bags. We get sunflower oil from sunflower. We get mustard oil by crushing mustard seed. We get coconut oil from coconut. This is the picture of sunflower, mustard seed and coconut. We collect latex from rubber tree. It is a white thick juice. Rubber is made out of it. So latex from rubber tree. How the latex is collected? By cutting out the trunk of the rubber tree, and from that we make tire. We get spices from some plants. Spices make our food tasty. We make perfume for some sweet smelling flowers too. Spices. These are the picture of spices. Long is there, cardamom is there, aniseed is there, saunf is there. These are all spices we get from plants. And we make perfumes with the help of the flowers we get from the plant, like rose, jasmine. Then plant give out oxygen. We breathe in this oxygen. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and the plant take in this gas. Now things we have learned. What we have learned from this chapter? We learned that plants are very useful. Plants gives us food product. They make the air pure. Some plants are useful for making medicine and perfume. Its wood is used for fuel. There are many kinds of plants: herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers and trees. We should plant more and more.